right, the Shiprock Bed Rack has arrived for the Ridgeline. Make sure you follow the video in the description. I'm putting on the Unistruts. You do need the Unistrut channels to mount the TUWA bed racks, all three of them, okay? This is what's inside each of the packages, all individually wrapped. Ships out of Florida, free shipping. These are actually manufactured in Brazil and shipped over. It's an American company. All right, today's tools are 13mm and a Torx 40 and your torque wrench. It's got all the bolts, nuts, washers, all the instructions on how many pieces you get in each kit. It's basically two kits, one for the front, one for the back. That's how we're gonna put it together. All right, that's your T40. You're gonna do a washer and then the 13mm nut. I got 4 here. Once I get it all assembled, the instructions say to put one here as well, which I will do. But these are the uprights, and they're identical front and back. All right, everybody, that is the final install of and I have to read it, the TUWA Shiprock headache rack. Went together a lot easier than the MOAB. Even though I love the MOAB, I do have the MOAB for sale on the Ridge store, so if you guys want to get that one, hit me up. But we are gonna move the tent over it, put the awnings on it, and get ready for the Overland Show up in Virginia, March 31st. So I hope you enjoyed everything. Like and subscribe, put some comments down there, ask some questions, and as always, enjoy the adventures.